New 3, in which photovoltaic products present as leading role, is becoming popular overseas. High-end photovoltaic equipment manufacturing led toward green-oriented transition by high-tech and high-value-added trends, promotes China's manufacturing to move toward the mid to high end of the value chain, and helps to lay the solid foundation for a strong manufacturing country. Since it entered the photovoltaic field in 2011, Gaoce has led the industry reform with its advanced and efficient diamond wire cutting technology, and helped the substitution of domestic products for photovoltaic cutting equipment with a full range of product portfolio, a complete set of integrated smart manufacturing solutions and full lifecycle services, opening a new era of global green and low-carbon development. From staying one step ahead in R&D innovation to reducing costs with a flexible and efficient supply chain system, and then to ensuring high-quality production control, as well as intelligent management and control across the entire process and all elements. Gaoce continues to create generation after generation of cutting equipment featuring its high-tech, efficient, and reliable, focusing on the photovoltaic silicon wafer manufacturing link. The company has laid out products such as the cropper, the square machine, the integrated monocrystalline grinding and polishing machine, the integrated squaring and grinding machine, the integrated half-cut and grinding machine, and saw, etc., covering the entire process of photovoltaic silicon wafer manufacturing. Ring wire cropper is used for silicon rod cutting, with the featuring advantages of high efficiency, small slope, less edge chipping, etc., as well as the high automation and significant labor reduction. Ring wire square machine is used for square during manufacturing of silicon wafer, independent circle wire dual station machining, small range, no edge chipping, easy operation and high scalability. Monocrystalline grinding and polishing machine is used for grinding, polishing, and chamfering in silicon rod manufacturing with high machining accuracy and reliability, compatible processing capabilities of square rods, rectangular rods, and half rods, and high market share ranking first in the industry. Integrated squaring and grinding machine is used for squaring, chamfering, grinding, and polishing in silicon wafer manufacturing, with 0.2 mm square margin of single edge, minimizing single loss. Diamond wire saw is used for slicing in silicon wafer manufacturing, with leading performance in the industry, high efficiency, accuracy, compatibility, automation level, and a market share ranking first in the industry. Besides, for processing modes of cutting the half rod and half wafer, the company has launched the integrated half-cut and grinding machine with high efficiency and good quality. In order to further improve the utilization rate of silicon rod, the company has successfully launched a variety of silicon brick wings processing equipment. Gaoce continues to explore the integration of cloud computing, AI, big data, and IoT technologies with equipment to achieve equipment automation, interconnection, and intelligence, helping to create smart manufacturing workshops. The company is developing a photovoltaic factory pooling crystal slicing integration intelligent manufacturing solution, including a complete set of solutions for automation in machining workshops, crystal glue workshops, and slicing workshops, covering processing, inspection, logistics, warehousing, and other process links, helping customers achieve digitalization, automation, and intelligent production, and promoting the transformation of photovoltaic manufacturing to photovoltaic intelligent manufacturing. Gaoce provides the customers with comprehensive technical training, energized by services that cover the entire equipment lifecycle, production process, and 24/7 maintenance to ensure stable and efficient operation of every cutting equipment, assisting customers in achieving high-quality and efficient production goals. Gaoce photovoltaic cutting equipment leads innovation with technology, embodies professionalism through precision, and creates value through efficiency. Gaoce is looking forward to partnering with you to harness the power of light and illuminate a beautiful tomorrow of sustainable development for the world.